'cause right now I really feel I am flying, releasing my troubles. And although you're so far, I really feel we're entwined. We'll wait till it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. city to get lost in. Always wanted to see Austin. Heard you running round again. Thought about when we first began. I was maybe 23, and you were kind of old for me. Sitting on a porch somewhere downtown, just watching hours float around. We were careless. Wish I could care less now. Always driving out and leaving the car 'cause it took too much whiskey at the bar. We were careless. Wish I would care less now. Borderlines, they hand us signs. Things weren't meant to work this time, and I'm fine with the fact. Start to call my friends back. Make a light of the dark. Walk around 1,000 parks and wonder if life is fair. Think back to when we were sitting on a porch somewhere downtown, just watching hours float around. We were careless. Wish I could care less now. Always driving out and leaving the car 'cause we took too much whiskey at the bar. We were careless. Wish I would care less now. Always underrated places we are and things we know. Always agitated. Lean back and let it go. Always underrated places we are and things we know. Always agitated. Lean back. Shadows gone with summer skies. Pull me in under its eyes. A new city to get lost in. Always wanted to see Austin.